Yeah Girl Zeba, and today I'm back at it again with a new MSP video. So, this Restart Planet video is gonna be, I'm just gonna be giving a free account away, which I'm gonna be making 2 accounts. If you guys are starting, if you are starting Movistar Planets, then I'm gonna show you how to make accounts. So, my cousin is on FaceTime with me, so this is not even my main, and I was on it, I don't know why, but let's go on play now. So, if you're a boy, you click on the boy, but if you're a girl, you click on the girl. But if you want to make a boy account and you're a girl, then you can click on it, you can certainly do it, but if you're a boy, then you can go on the girl account if you want to. So, yeah. This is a good skin color, but you can pick skin colors from here, but I personally like this one. The second thing is this nose, if you want it. This is a pointy nose if you have a pointy nose. This is like a medium nose, and this is a noob nose, but this noob nose is pretty. And then you got 3 selections of mouths. You can basically get any lips, I meant. And I always pick this one, and that's nice. You can change colors on any of them. You can change colors on these, but I certainly hate these eyes. I love these. I hate these too. It's just weird from this side, like the right side. So yeah. And there's a lot of selections that I pick. I pick blue. And here there's hairs, which I do this one because they're nice. This is the only nice hair, and then I get it in blonde. Then I get this, okay, there's a lot of hairs here. I mean, there's a lot of shirts in Movistar Planet. So, I usually pick this one. And today I'm going to be doing a red color. Then I'm getting these pants, and I'm making it white. Or black. Yeah, black. And why is my freaking voice like that? And then I put these in the same color as these shirts. So, yeah. Okay, so that's good. And I'm gonna make it, yeah, I am pretty. Girl. Yes, that's not taking, yeah, I am pretty. Lola123, Lol123. So you guys can have this account in any condition, just don't delete it because, you know, if 2 people already sign in, one of them are going to delete it, or either none of them are going to delete it. But I'm just saying, do not delete this account, because some people work hard for it. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be getting off this ACC. Free ACC from a YouTuber. I'm gonna get this level 1 quickly, and I'm gonna leave the rest gifts. Where are you guys? Come on, where is it? Oh, that's so cute. These 2 are hella cute. Why? Yep. Wait, I feel like they have pants like that. Something, but I'm gonna make it black. Yeah, black. So now I'm gonna go changing the colors. Okay, I got this also. So yeah, that was one of the accounts. So let's sign out and make a different account for you guys. This one is gonna be a really noob account. So yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. I don't want it to be your colorful nude. I want it to be Jasmine 1839.
Okay. I'm done.
So this is gonna be the newbie CC. Which I'm gonna put in those newbie eyes because I really like those eyes. So now can you say those are newbie? Those are really newbie. I'm gonna make it, girl, I look pretty. Lol123. Okay, I literally, oh my gosh, I forgot the font. I don't put it on, that's gonna be that, and it's gonna be annoying for the rest of this freaking time. Great. Okay, actually, no, never mind. Yes, I'm still making the video, Chabashtiga. You guys don't know, I speak Farsi. So yeah. I'm gonna quickly get you guys to level 31. I mean, level 25. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna make this one should be a green account, like a green cake. Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's always gonna be star coins. Oh yeah, I got a glitch. If you do that, then it's a glitch. That's how I know how to glitch. And by these words, I can pular. Now, let's rethink this. So yeah, this account is free. Now I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of my account, and yeah. Just kidding, guys. I already gave you a tour of my account a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Because if you guys didn't, then I'll be really sad because I don't know how to edit. So if you guys enjoyed it, just please tell me in the comments. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye. Yeah, girl, Zaba's here. Bye. Why did I say that?